Meet YUKA Mini, your yard's new bestie. With a tap, it maps your lawn to perfection. Thanks to MyMotion iNavi service, it's got pinpoint accuracy, mapping even the most complex lawns. With AI vision, your lawn map goes from flat to fabulous in 3D. Virtual boundaries? Check. No wires, no hassle. Got multiple mowing zones? YUKA Mini is on it. Mowing between zones? No sweat. With its 3D binocular vision camera, it sees your yard like the human eye, capturing every detail. Kids, pets, garden tables, it dodges it all, staying cool and collected no matter what's in the way. Just as a golf ball finds its way into the hole, this mower stays perfectly in its lane, no straying off the grass. With AI vision, it mows with precision, creating an N-shaped pattern and avoiding non-grass areas. Even in poor satellite signal zones, YUKA mows like a pro. Edge cutting, it keeps your lawn looking sharp. Even in the kitchen, easily peek in on your furry friends with live video. The cutting disc adjusts on the go for a consistently perfect mow. With its 5-blade cutting disc, no grass is left behind. Got steep slopes? It can handle that. YUKA Mini 800 boasts the largest battery in its class. Swapping the battery is a breeze. Add a juice, it automatically takes itself back to the charger. Ready to wow your neighbors? It can even print art on your lawn. Family time just got better. So sit back, relax, and let YUKA Mini take care of the grass. Mow easy, life breezy.